Hello again, everyone. So, as promised, this is a follow-up video. If you watched my last video, I did a cleanup of my tiny little craft corner, sewing corner, and as promised in this video, I'm gonna work on the project that I'm working on and a follow-up project. So, what is that project? A little closer. Okay. So right here, in that little basket with the polka dots, that's what I'm working on. It took me forever. I was drafting patterns for dresses. So I started this dress. I'm almost done. I just have to add those pockets. I have to finish up, just do a little bit of finishing up on it. And also the next project that I wanted to work on is right there. It's my first pair of pants. So I drafted a pattern for pants and I did it in muslin already. So I know that the fit is going to be okay. This is the first time making a pair of pants though in actual fabric that I would like to wear outside. So those are the two things that I'm working on, and I'm not going to do it like tutorial style like I've done in the past because truth be told, I'm trying to teach myself how to sew. I taught myself how to crochet, I taught myself how to knit, and I know how to sew a little bit because I used to do volunteer at a nonprofit where I had to sew like tote bags and bibs or whatever for folks in that home. So I know how to do things like that, but this is the first time I'm actually trying to make myself clothes. So just bear with me, and I'm gonna try and do more videos, at least be consistent with the amount of videos I do, and not wait so long in between videos because I have this like perfectionist gene in me, and it's very annoying. You cannot be perfect all the time, and I need to tell myself that. I need to remind myself that. So yeah, that's where we're at. I'm gonna stop the intro right here. I'm gonna do the setup. The space is still relatively clean. It's only been a day. And yeah. So I have my ironing board out so that I can iron as I'm working on this project. And the lighting in here, I just can't, bear with me. I'm trying. The lighting is just, I can't figure out how to do. I'm doing my best. So yeah, gonna stop it right here. And the next part you're gonna see is just sewing, probably not a lot of talking, and probably sped up just like the cleaning video, okay? All right, thanks for watching. All right, bye. All right, so this is the dress I'm working on, and I tried it on, and the back is, it's gapping. It's one of those things, and I'm trying to put darts in. I think that'll fix it, and so I measured out 1.5 inches, and that's the amount that I'm going to dart in the back. And I just have to do it on this other side. And when I finish doing that, I can reattach the straps to the back because I took the straps out. And then I have my red pockets that I want to slap on the front. It's a lot of colors. If you know me, you know that I like a lot of colors. So it's not for everyone. Definitely not something for everyone. But it's for me. And she will wear it. So yeah. That's what it's gonna look like when I'm done. So I'm gonna go back over to the sewing machine now that I have an idea of where the darts are gonna go. I tried it on after I put that dart in just now, and I'm okay with the fit. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the sewing machine, okay? All right, so the pockets are on. I thought I had hit record. I thought you were seeing this, but it's done. The pockets are on the front of the dress. All right, so the pockets are on. I thought I had hit record. I thought you were seeing this, but it's done. The pockets are on the front of the dress. I thought I hit record. Apparently I didn't. So what's left for me to do is I have to fold over the hem again and stitch that down. I also have to reattach the straps in the back, and I'm going to have to hand sew the straps back. I'm not going to do that with you guys, but the hem I will do. So I'm going to go to my ironing board and iron in place the final hem, and then come back to the machine and sew it with you guys, and then hand stitch the straps back in place and put this to the side, and then we're going to get started on the pants. Okay? I thought I hit record. Apparently I didn't. So what's left for me to do is I have to fold over the hem again and stitch that down. I also have to reattach the straps in the back, and I'm going to have to hand sew the straps back. I'm not going to do that with you guys, but the hem I will do. So I'm going to go to my ironing board and iron in place the final hem, and then come back to the machine and sew it with you guys, and then hand stitch the straps back in place and put this to the side, and then we're going to get started on the pants. Okay? Okay, so we're back at the machine and we're going to sew this hem. I hope it looks good in the end, because this dress has taken a lot out of me. So I'm the wrong side facing me, and I'm gonna try and stay as close to this little top edge as possible, keeping it straight. Yeah, so let's get started. Stitching. Ooh. Okay, so it gets a little tricky where the colors change because I guess because of how I did the pattern, it's angular instead of curved. So yeah, there's that. So I'm just gonna follow through and complete the dress, and hopefully I like it enough when it's done. finished with the hem. It looks fairly straight. It looks pretty good. Okay, so hem's done. I'm gonna go and sew the straps on like I said, and then we're gonna be done with this dress. Put it to the side and get started on our pants. And then we're gonna do a whole try on of everything. Okay? See you in a little bit. Okay, so change of plans. For this video, we're just gonna do the dress and we're gonna do the try on right now. Meet me outside. Okay, so this is me at another angle in my apartment parking lot. This dress makes you want to frolic, and I frolicked in the parking lot. Okay. But this is the end. Thanks for watching, and I will have that pants video up shortly. Okay, bye.